So it's 2025, and today we're going to start the year off with a video exploring where I think the real estate market is heading in the new year. So today we're going to discuss the 2025 housing market predictions, my predictions, and what buyers and sellers need to know, and we're going to get started. Hello and welcome back to All Things Tennessee with me, Ben Barreto, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. Listen, today we're going to talk about the 2025 housing market predictions based on some information I've gathered through various articles and conversations leading up to this point. So let's talk about what's coming up for the housing market over the next 5 years. And a lot's changing in the world. Fallout from the pandemic is starting to ease, but new challenges could be on the horizon, like shifts in immigration policy, tariffs, climate change costs, and AI taking over more of our daily lives. And don't forget the fact that Trump is going into a second term to shake things up, so who knows what's going to happen there. But honestly, for the housing market, the big story, the main focus is mortgage rates. Now, the thing is, if rates stay high, people will likely only move because they have to, like new jobs, financial changes, family reasons. But if rates drop, things could get crazy. Watch out, because all that pent-up demand from the past few years could flood the market, bring sales back to normal levels, or create another crazy market like we had during the pandemic. Where things land will definitely shape the hottest housing markets in 2029 compared to today. Now, let's break it down a bit more. Mortgage rates right now are above 6%, which is keeping home sales lower than usual. The Fed doesn't expect inflation to calm down until 2026, so we're looking at gradually declining rates over the next couple of years. And if inflation flares up again, maybe due to tariffs or big policy changes, those rates could stay stubbornly high. For now, though, buyers and sellers are adjusting. People with steady incomes and good savings might see 2025 as a great time to jump into the market, especially as those locked-in, super low rates from a few years ago become less common and people get used to the numbers they're looking at right now. It's a new world. You got to get used to it. Are you in the market to buy a home? Do you not know where to start? Is the thought of buying a home giving you a headache and making you crazy? Well, you should start your journey at bendreamhomes.com. That's www.bendreamhomes.com, where you can search homes, look up information on the process, and best of all, reach out to one of the top agents in the country, Ben Barreto. That's bendreamhomes.com. Go there now, or after this video. So, for buyers, things are already heating up ahead of the spring market. Redfin's Home Buyer Demand Index is up, and Fannie Mae's Home Purchase Sentiment Index is the highest it's been since early 2022. But here's the catch. Inventory is tight, especially for existing homes. That's why new construction is taking a bigger slice of the pie right now. About 30% of the housing market, which is double the usual share, is new home construction. Builders are sweetening the deals too, offering perks like rate buy downs and covering closing costs. Looking ahead, new rules are also changing the way real estate agents get paid. Buyers might need to sign agreements before touring homes. That's how it is here in Tennessee. And sellers may no longer share the commission with the buyer's agent, which means that's a bigger expense for buyers if they can't get the other side to pay their agent's commission. It's a big shift, but the goal is to make the process clearer and more transparent for everyone. And one more thing, if you're eyeing a home in an HOA, be sure to read the fine print. Those monthly fees can add up, and poorly managed communities can hit you with big surprises and costs down the road. Additionally, those monthly fees in the HOA could impact your debt-to-income ratio, meaning the house may not fall into your budget. So what's the big picture of the housing market through 2029? Here, the rundown is prices are expected to keep rising, but at a slower pace, maybe a little higher than inflation. Home sales should pick up as inventory improves, but it still takes years to fill in the gap in the housing supply. Meanwhile, renting will stay as a popular option, though costly, especially with the cost of owning a home being significantly higher in many areas, meaning rent will also go up. And hey, if you're in the market for a new place, don't stress. There are plenty of opportunities out there, whether you're buying, selling, or just planning ahead. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and updates on everything you need to know about the housing market and more. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. I look forward to 2025 with you, and as always, if you need anything, don't hesitate to hit me up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.